Hi, my name is Mafi and I am your franchise consultant for today. I would like to introduce you about the drop shipping business. The secret of getting ahead is to getting started. You should start first before you get results. You should start first before you get achievements. You should start to do something first before you succeed. Let me ask you this question. Why we are foreign in other country? One, because we want to earn money. Second, because we have goals in our life. Maybe bring our kids in school. Some want to build their house. Some want to give future to our family. So once you are step in S, you already started your goals. Maybe some of you already bring your kids in school. Some of you already build our house but haven't yet finished. And we are thinking when I'm gonna finish our goals. Maybe it will take more years because of our salary is not enough, right? Sometimes only receive left to us from remittance. And sometimes we are thinking money for ourselves so that if we go home, we have extra money. What if I have something to tell you that you can earn up to 2,500 SGD in the whole year? Or in just 6 months estimated, depend on how you work on it. You can do it also as a part-time. You don't have to risk your work and you can do it only on your free time or on your extra time. Now we talk about our business we have. First, we have a drop shipping online selling. The second one is the retailing, and the third one is the wholesaling. Do you have experience into selling a product? They say if you want to have money, you need to sell product. And this is our trending business, the drop shipping business. Do you know the platform like Shopee, Lazada, Shein, Zalora? This is one of the example of a trending drop shipping that earn big. So how this platform works? If we are lazy to going outside or bored and want to order online, we add to cart, right? Then we pay and wait when the delivery your order. So what if you can have your own shop link like this in this business? Do you want to have this kind of business?
What makes JC Dropshipping such a hit? JC Dropshipping works like this. You, as a dropshipper, act as the retailer. You will have your own customized online store with high-quality products that you can promote to your friends and advertise to attract customers. Soon enough, a customer sees your product and purchases it from your online store at the retail price. Once that happens, JC will receive the order, verify the payment, pack the products, and ship them directly to your customer. JC will then pay you your profit, which is the difference between the retail price and the wholesale price you're entitled to. For example, let's say you send your online store link to a friend and your friend buys a box of JC organic barley for 1,200 pesos. As a JC dropshipper, your wholesale price can be as low as 480 pesos. The company will receive the order, verify the payment, pack and ship the JC organic barley directly to your customer, and pay you your profit of 720 pesos to your JC wallet, which you can encash to your personal bank account or via company check. The more you share your online store link and run ads to promote it, the more products you can sell, and the more you earn. It's that simple. You post, we deliver, you earn.